welcome back to my channel. So I have came up with a review today and I am reviewing a very viral facial mask. You might have guessed it already by seeing the title. So it is none other than the Prolixer algae mask. You can see up here it says perfect skin detoxifying face algae mask. So this one is by the brand Prolixer. I have seen the ads of it everywhere, like every social media. It was that viral and I really wanted to try this one, and thankfully they have sent me their one unit to try it out and make a review on it. And so this is how the outer packaging looks like. It's in baby pink color. The color attracts so many people so easily because it's so subtle and very beautifully packed, and it has a like cardboard packaging, as you can see the cardboard package. And inside this they have their very beautiful tiny little brush. That this comes up with a very beautiful tiny brush. As you can see, this comes up like this, and the bristles of the brush is really soft and really gives a very smooth application to your face.
Along with it, it also comes up with its own booklet where every detail of the mask is written, and also the step of using it and whether it's paraben free or not. Every detail of the mask is written, so which is really helpful.
You can see if you open this thing that you get the actual products, and the bottle is really sturdy and it is in a glass jar. As you can see, it is in a glass jar and has a plasticky sort of and very glass-like cap. In this jar you have 50 gram of product. Inside this, when you open it, you have another like lid over here, so that protects the product from peeping out. And then there is something like this. With the help of it, you can just open it and you can see the product. And the very beautiful thing about this product is the smell. It's so amazing, like everybody would fall in love. Actually, if you are following me for so long, then you guys know that I'm very smell sensitive, but this smell fortunately is something that I can wear. And the color looks something like this. It's like muddy sort of a pink color, which is so amazing. And the consistency is not so runny, not so thick, like super thick. It's like perfect like consistency for a mask. And this is a clay mask. So this is about the packaging and all and the product. Now let us move on to the claim. In the packaging itself, you have written everything, the details, how to use, what are the ingredients and what are the claims of theirs. So let us see what it says. It says deeply hydrate, detoxify, brighten, protect against pollution, tighten pores and boost radiance. So that so many claims that this makes, and if all of them are fulfilled by this mask, then I think everybody should have it. So the product is meant to be used for all skin type people, so that's a very good thing. Let's move on what this product contains. That means what are the ingredients of the product. So there are so many ingredients. There are diatomaceous earth, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, tea tree oil, etc. So many goodness of nature, and also chemical is there, which is really beneficial for your skin. So out of all the ingredients, I have listed out 5 ingredients which I think is the key ingredients of the product. So the very first ingredient is that diatomaceous earth. So I know a lot of you do not know about it. So let me tell you. The benefit that you get from the diatomaceous earth is that it is a source of silica, which is really good for skin, as you all know. And it improves the health of your skin, Also removes unwanted dead skin cells, which is great, I think, And the next key ingredients in this product is that seaweed algae. So sea algae is rich in antioxidants and amino acids. If you have fine lines, it also improves those fine lines and also promote collagen to your skin and boost up the radiance. After applying this, you'll have that radiant skin that you always wanted to have. And it also fights your hyperpigmentation. So the next key ingredients that this product has is hyaluronic acid. What hyaluronic acid does is that it just collects all the moisture and keep it in your skin and make your skin look very plumpy, very moisturized, so that it looks very healthy. So it also has hyaluronic acid in it, so it will do the job of keeping your skin healthy and plump. Okay, when you apply any product that has hyaluronic acid in it, you be sure you moisturize your skin pretty well with a good amount of moisturizer, so that the hyaluronic acid can collect all the moisture and keep it on your skin, so that your skin feels healthy. And the next key from damaging from the UV rays. And also vitamin C increases the production of melanin, which improves your hyperpigmentation and makes your skin look little brighter than before and helps to even out your skin. And the next key ingredient that I saw is activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is something which fights against the pollution and makes your skin pollution free. So these are the key ingredients. Apart from this, you have tea tree oil and all other ingredients which again good for your skin. Now that's about the ingredients. Now let us see how you can order the product and what are the prices and everything about the product. So the price of the product, it comes for rupees 1490. As you can see, it's written in the packaging itself. So the actual price of the product is 1490 rupees. But if you want to buy it sometimes comes under a discount as well. So I will be linking a link in the description box from where you can just purchase this product from the website of Prolixer. You can check out there. Sometimes they give a good amount of discount on the product and you can definitely try this on. Now we have done with all the things. Now let us move on to my review, like what I actually felt after using this. So if you ask me about my personal review, I have used so many masks before, like from drugstore especially, and also homemade masks. But I tell you, some of the masks did work, but this mask is something that literally worked for me. Like, I'm not even kidding, because I used it more than 2 weeks now, and I've also updated. If you followed me on my Instagram, you might have seen me using this mask so many times and me talking about this mask so many times in my stories, and I post and everything. Even my friends, they have commented on my skin that your skin is improving. And even today, if you see, I haven't applied much of makeup. I am wearing just a lipstick, my skincare routine, and like MAC Fix Plus, and nothing else. I'm not even done with the brows and everything. I'm not wearing any sort of makeup, and this is the skin. I'm not saying that only after applying this, but I'm to follow a very good skincare routine, I'm getting this. But about this mask, if you ask me, for the first time when I applied it, it gave me a very cool sort of effect. Firstly, that's because it is a clay mask, so that is supposed to give you the coolness effect. The first thing that I felt after using it, the smell of the product is really amazing. And secondly, the color of the product is so amazing. The smell is so good. Even my mom said, even my auntie said that the smell of the product is really good. So that's the first impression of the product when I applied it. And when I removed the product from my skin, I felt my skin to be very soft. Okay, that's the first impression when I applied. I've even updated in my story. I felt it very soft, and then I felt like my skin is very light. I'm not making this review just after applying it for one. I've applied it 4 times now, including today. Again, I did felt a difference, and I am so in love with it, and it does work. It says that it deeply hydrates. So I would not say it deeply hydrates. It's not like something that you'll apply and you will not feel that stretchiness. Of course, because it's a clay mask, so you will have that stretchiness. And if you are from dry skin type like me, then you should be applying a good layer of moisturizer after applying this. That's because otherwise it is going to make your skin look a little you make your skin feel a little stretchy, and which is not good for your skin. Now secondly, it says detoxifying and brighten, which is so true. It actually brightens up your skin. If you use it for the first time only, you will see that difference. And secondly, it says protect against pollution. That I cannot say anything about, because nowadays it's lockdown and I'm not even going out. So I cannot say if this product has done any sort of help in the pollution, fighting against pollution. So I'll be saying or updating that in my story once everything opens and I can go out. And the next thing that it says, tighten pores and boost up radiance. Okay, so I do not have much of a pore. If you come closely also, I don't have pores much. So I cannot say if it is to help in tightening a pore or not, because I do not have much larger pores. But the radiance, about the radiance, I can say 100,000% that it does give you a beautiful radiance to your skin. If you see, I'm still glowing and I haven't even applied any highlighter. It's all skincare. So now I'm done with my personal experience, how I felt after using it. Now the question comes if I recommend this to you or not. So I know the price range is a little bit higher for us, like students like us or middle class families like us. But if you want your skin to get treated, I think you can spend 1,400 rupees on this product and check it for yourself. If you are facing some of the problems, like especially hyperpigmentation, or especially if you're facing the problem of like your radiance, your glow has gone, so then you can definitely check this product and try it for yourself. So this product like has given me a very good impact of skincare, and I felt like we should invest in skincare if we want a good skin. I would definitely 1,100% recommend this product, but still I would say try it for yourself. You know, this product has worked for me. It doesn't mean that it will work for you or it might not work for you. So it depends on skin. Your skin type, person to person, you're suitable, the product will suit you or not. So you can just give it a try.
With you I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow.
Now here is a quick demo of how to use the product. Take generous amount of the product onto the brush and then apply it in your skin in an upward motion. Now when you're done applying it to your entire face, you have to wait for 10 minutes and then use a cotton towel or anything that's in cotton, soak that up into lukewarm water and press it onto your face like this. When you see the mask is turning out to be little soft, you have to swipe it away using the towel itself and then wash it with cold water, and that's it. You can see the difference by yourself. You can see my skin looks definitely brighter than before and the dullness has gone. There is a radiance in my face, and I think you have to use it quite amount of time to see a huge difference, and my skin definitely felt really soft. So this is my face looking right after applying the mask, and I haven't used any sort of moisturizer yet, and this is what my face looks like after applying moisturizer. So a moisturizer is really must.
So that is it with my detailed review. I hope it was helpful enough for you. And if it was, then be sure to subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll be coming up with more reviews, more makeup tutorials, more skincare things, and a lot more things. If you want to get updated all of them as soon as I post it, you be sure to click that bell icon as well. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, then be sure to comment down below how you like the video and what you want to see next in my channel, and also like this video and share it with your friends whoever wants to buy the Prolixer one but do not know and cannot make decisions if they should buy it or not. I'll be seeing you guys with my next tutorial very soon. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all. Mwah. Bye.